Hello Sagittarius, this will be your August monthly reading for love. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your chart in Sagittarius, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading then. Okay, let's start your reading. So first card is Ten of Swords, Judgment, Ace of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Five of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. So first of all, I will tell you about the signs. The zodiac sign present here are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and that's all. And if we will see the specific cards who are major arcana here. Major arcana are Virgo as a Hermit and Scorpio as a Judgment card, and that's all. So it can be any sign, however, but the energy of the person or you are dealing with or your energy can be present here only, and zodiac sign is just a representation. The energy can be different. Okay, so first of all, we'll talk about the Hermit. Okay, so the Hermit is here. That means in this relationship I am seeing that you're not satisfied with this relationship, and something is missing inside you in this relationship. However, you're enjoying and you are having good you're having good attraction towards them, and you're enjoying enjoying together basically, but still some part of that is missing, that you actually missing in the relationship. Okay, so you're actually contemplating right now what is going on inside you. Basically you want to know what's deeper you feeling inside you, and that's why you just go on inside and to know how you feel from inside with this relationship. Okay, is it worth it or not? Because just below is Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is the card of reconciliation as well. So this reading, it can be for the past person or the ex person also, and it can actually represent the reconciliation with them. Okay, so let's start your reading one by one. From first card, the first card is here is Ten of Swords. So first card is always the strongest actually. So here was the ending basically. So you were having a painful ending just in the past, I guess, and that painful ending actually leads you to a new beginning as well, but still right now you are healing. Okay, you were backstabbed in this relationship before, and now you have completed this relationship, and now you have moved on, but still some remainings are there, some pain is there still, which is actually still bothering you. Okay, So the next card is judgment card here. So you have ended already something, okay, so new beginning is coming. I am not saying that the past person is coming here right now, because right now I'm seeing that you are actually very worried about those things, that this person is coming here with you, but I don't see that you are reconciling with them. And maybe it's a reconciliation as well, but I'm seeing the major of the person are not having the reconciliation in this month basically. And most of you are going to start a new love basically, okay. So you have already ended a relationship, and you were actually destroyed, shattered, and the part of you is completely gone, and new you has come already, okay. So new you has actually emerged from the ashes actually, okay. So it's rebirth of you, and from the ashes basically means it's already over, and now you have started it with fresh, okay. So judgment card is representing that only. So right now you are making yourself ready for new relationship, and it can be a new person, can be a Scorpio. Judgment by judgment card, because it's a Scorpio card, so it can be Scorpio, but any person can be with this energy, okay. Ace of swords, what I am talking about is new beginning, okay. So here we have two aces, like ace of swords and ace of pentacles. That means new beginning is coming here, and this new beginning is based on truth basically, okay. So this person, whoever is coming towards you, they are coming with the truth, and they don't want to hide anything. They want to communicate you with clear instructions, they don't want to hide anything inside them. So they want to actually come clear towards you, okay. So that you should not feel like you they are hiding something, okay. So they want to make it clear, and they want to make a new beginning, means truthful new beginning they want to start, okay. So nine of pentacles is here. That means they are seeing you as a single person. So most of you have already ended a relationship, and you became single, and now everybody is attracted towards you, because you are very attractive person, and this person is already attracted towards you, and they don't want to miss that opportunity. They want to start a new relationship with you, and they actually recognize that you are single now, and you are available for a new relationship now. Then they want to offer you something, okay. But I'm seeing that from your side you are little bit of backing off, okay. So they are offering something, they are offering new relationship, but you are not interested in their offer, okay. So whatever they are offering, it is not enough for you basically. It may be it may be you are not psychologically ready basically. I'm seeing that already in the past you have some failed relationship. Due to that you had some fear, okay. That fear actually leads to the rejection for new offers, okay. So that's why you are not accepting right now, right away this relationship offer from this person. But maybe you will in future you will accept that if they come right then. So actually you were not expecting this person to that they will offer you something, they will offer you romantic situation, and you were not expecting that, okay. So they want to start a new relationship with you, but you were not expecting that, and it was coming like it's a headache for you right now actually, because you were not expecting, because maybe most of you people has this person as your friend, okay. And you have never seen this person as more than a friend, but right now this person come as a more than friend, so it is coming as a tension in your mind that how come this person have developed the feeling towards you. Okay, so this happened actually with you, and right now in your mind actually you are contemplating that what to do now. Okay, because you are not completely ready, but they see you as you are ready. Okay, so here we have seven of pentacles. Seven of pentacles represent here is growth in this situation. Okay, so I'm seeing that growth is coming in this relationship, and your relationship is growing well in future, I'm seeing that in 2 weeks or so, I'm seeing that you two are talking in a much better way. Okay, so there is a growth. Okay, so this person is trying to come correct. Okay, so they want to offer you not only a truthful new beginning, they want to offer you love as well. So this person will come as a loving gesture, and they want to show you that they love you, and they want to actually offer you a love situation. Okay, so they can come with a letter, or they can come with a gift as well. Okay, so they will offer you all the things, that truthful new beginning and love also. And here we have ace of pentacle as well. So this person wants to offer you this stability. Actually they will offer you this stability. They want to offer you a stable new beginning, and this relationship has a lot of potential in future, and this person want to show you that also. Okay, so next card is four of pentacles. So this person doesn't want to let you go basically out of their um, means they don't want to leave you basically. They don't want to lose you anyway. Okay, so this person is actually very possessive towards you, and they don't want to let you go to somebody else. Okay, they don't want to lose you anyway. Okay, so let's pull outcome card for you, then we will see. Please give me outcome card for you, Sagittarius, this month. Eight of swords and fool. Okay, so fool is bottom of the deck. That means a new beginning will come in anyway in future. If you want it or not, it is coming anyway, because it is coming from the future, and coming in the future basically. And universe is actually planning this from long back. Now it is imperative to resist this, and now I think this new beginning is about to come. Okay, in this month, but you are still stuck in your mind, in your emotions that have held you back from so long. Still you are stuck in those kind of thinking and mental prison that you have made for yourself. Okay, so now you have to break it free, and then only the new beginning can come into your life. Otherwise you will be on the same page that the last time you were. Okay, so let's pull out Queen of Moon Oracle card for you. Extremes and trust. So universe is telling you that trust the situation, and let it flow basically. Let it go, and just go with the flow. Okay, so trust the situation, everything will work it out. It's not like the last time it didn't work, that doesn't mean this time it will not. Okay, so it is going to work. Trust the situation. And I'm seeing that maybe a lot of intimacy also is present here. Maybe this person is physically very attracted towards you, and I think their fantasies are very hot. So if you don't want it, and then you should be very careful. But this person is actually very driven towards you, because of the physical attractions, but they have emotions also, and they want to offer you a stable new beginning as well. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book through email me, and email ID is given in the description box. And thank you for watching.